Hi, this is Rakesh and you're watching Royal Technology. In this video, we will show you how to fix display issue in your laptop. So in this case, we have a HP ProBook laptop right now. Maybe you have some other laptop, so you can follow these steps also to fix the laptop issue. So right now, beep sound is coming and it is very irritating. It is keep on coming whenever I am turning on this laptop and continuously it is coming. So let's see how we can fix this issue. So first of all we have to shut down the machine forcefully. As you can see, the laptop is on but the display is not coming and this beep sound is coming. So unplug the charger and forcefully shut down the machine by pressing the power key, and then open the back panel. So right now 5 screw we have to unscrew and then we have to remove the back panel. So let's open the back panel. So I'm quickly removing all the screws. Okay, so all the screws are open. Now we can remove the back panel, and as you can see we have total 2 RAM slot on the motherboard. One RAM is connected and another slot is empty. So first we have to clean the RAM. So here we have CMOS battery, it is connected. We'll see this also. If you want, you can change the slot and check whether display is coming or not, and also clean the RAM and connect it back and check whether display is coming or not. So in my case, what I observed that RAM got faulty, so I've replaced the new RAM, and now my issue got resolved. But in your case it may not happen, so you can remove this CMOS battery also once. But now maybe the beep sound is not coming, so in that case you can remove the CMOS battery once for few seconds and connect it back, and if required you can remove the SSD also and connect it back, so that may also fix the issue. So this thing you can check. And now we have to fix the back panel, and then let's see whether display is coming or not. So let's wait few seconds, then we'll see. Now laptop is on, let's wait for the display. Okay, so the display is came and now our issue is successfully resolved. So if you have any doubt, comment below, we will reply all the comments. If you are new to our channel, do like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching, see you in the next video.